Hi, I'm Dr. Ramsey Shokare, a board-certified plastic surgeon with over 20 years of experience in facial rejuvenation surgery. Today we're discussing what really makes a great or exceptional facelift, the kind that looks natural, lasts for years, matches the vision you have for yourself, and makes you look as good as you feel. First, let's dispel a common myth. There are no secret facelift techniques. There's nothing in New York or LA or Paris that we don't know. Experienced facelift surgeons are in the know about techniques around the world. Celebrities, jet setters, they're not getting any special facelifts. The information is out there for all of us who do a significant number of facelifts. The truth is, the best facelifts are performed by experienced surgeons who are dedicated to focus on the minute details, leading to a natural-looking rejuvenation. It starts with a customized approach because no two faces are the same. Factors such as your genetics, stress, sun damage, weight fluctuations, and others all factor into what would be done on an individual face. But gentle, precise tissue manipulation, proper movement of the tissue or vector of the pull are the key to avoiding a pulled look. The best results come from understanding the unique anatomy of each individual patient and customizing the procedure to each patient, not a one-size-fits-all situation. It's not complicated. It's literally an obsessive attention to details that create the best facelift. And successful facelifts are built on trust and communication. I like to say, listen, communicate, and then meet expectations. That's really what it's all about. You don't want an expectation hangover. You want the patient and the surgeon to have expectations that match. And you should have direct access to your surgeon before and after the procedure. You need adequate face time with the surgeon to develop that trust and confidence that your wishes are heard and that you make sure your expectations are understood by the surgeon. I mean, the most important factor in patient satisfaction after cosmetic facial surgery in achieving your expectations is the surgeon you choose. Without question, you need to have a personal, trusting connection with your surgeon. You know, fine art takes time, and similarly, facelift surgery is a thoughtful, deliberate process. Attention to detail makes all the difference. Gentle manipulation of the tissues is the key to a quick recovery, less swelling, and an early return to social activities. Here's an example of a patient who had surgery, and this is the day after her surgery. Here she is before, and here's the next day, showing you how good someone can look when you do surgery meticulously and gently handle the tissues. So this is 24 hours after a lower face and neck lift. And again, the looking down view is the key view. When patients say they've never seen a surgeon's looking down view, you gotta wonder why, because that's the most difficult view to make look natural. And that's the view, of course, everybody sees at the dinner table and when you're looking at your phone. Experience matters. It requires a surgeon with years of specialized training and full understanding of facial anatomy. But more importantly, it requires a consistent commitment to achieving a beautiful outcome every single time. And it isn't about the technique, really. It's about the aesthetic judgment of the surgeon. If the surgeon's aesthetic judgment is sound, then whatever technique they choose will be correct. The best results come from a surgeon who knows when to do less and when to do more, and create that harmony and balance in a face. If you're considering this journey, I encourage you to consult with an experienced board-certified plastic surgeon who specializes in facial rejuvenation. Thank you for watching.